Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll continue that particular list. We are explaining all the projects one by one. This will be the details of blood cancer using neural network. Now user have to upload any input image of cancer and it will detect the cancer, like which type of cancer is benign or malignant, and these are the software hardware requirement. Interface developed using web framework using Django. Let's go back. Now the 37 is blood donation app. Let's open it. This is the Android app, blood bank management Android app or blood donation Android app, where it will give details about project. First registration page for donor and then donor information, their blood group. There will be the list of donor in that their information will be shown. So if anyone wants any kind of blood group, then they can contact through our application to donors, and number of blood groups should be shown, and also GPS tracking should be there, so that if donor don't have any particular blood group for patient, so that they can check through GPS for nearby blood banks and they can track through our app. The next page, the blood donor information should be there. Then also the calling and message option will be there. There is an app and GPS system should be there for nearby blood banks. So this will be the complete Android app. Now these are the modules like registration, login, profile, search nearby hospital, emergency alert, form and all, leaderboard, QR code, history, forget password, and in the receiver side, registration, login page, profile, and these are the emergency alert or QR scanner, add alert, add event. And we are using the technology Android, Java, Firebase, and XML. Okay, let's scroll up. Just go back. Now 38 one is bone joint detection, hand bone joint detection using image processing. So in that project, the hand bone joint detection, in this project, user have to give input image, then model will detect the DIP, PIP, and MCP joints. Model will take input of sample X-ray hand image. Then after detection, it will identify the bone and joints and identify it. This project is working on the image processing technology and Python programming language is used. So this will be the complete software based project, and it will take the joints like DIP, PIP, and MCP joints. Okay, just go back. Book recommendation system is 39 point. Let's open it. We are using the machine learning algorithm. Let's scroll down. This will be the detail of project. It is a web-based project where user can enter the book details, or it will recommend the books according to the user inputs. You can check the complete video, and these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Now the 40 option is bottle defector identification. Just open it. Real-time plastic bottle detection using deep learning. So in the project, user can provide input video and it work on the real time as well. If user give input, then it will identify that bottle is defected or not, and it also check that bottle is available in that image or video. Like similar, it works on the real time laptop webcam or the video. So user have to show that particular bottle in front of a laptop webcam. It will identify that bottle is defected or not. Model is trained on the two classes like defected or non-defected, and machine learning used to train the model, and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface, and it is software based application. We have used the Python technology, and these are the software and hardware requirement and related projects. Let's go back. Bounce ball game. Let's open it. It will give the complete description about project, and these are the main modules of bounce ball game. If you want to see that particular game, then just press the play button. It will play the video. We have developed that project using Pygame library. Okay, these are the software and hardware requirements. Let's go back. Point number 42, brain shock classification. That will be software based project, and this will be the complete description like brain shock prediction using machine learning. Let's scroll down. These are the few points we have to follow for developing that model. Now this is the YouTube video where in that project user have to upload any input image, and it will predict like that particular person have a stroke or not. Okay, and it will predict the output. That machine learning model is trained on the two classes like stroke and not stroke. So these are the two classes. According to that, it will predict the brain stroke. So these are the benefits of the brain stroke prediction, and these are the software and hardware requirements. Okay, let's scroll up and just go back. Now go with point number 43, brain stroke classification and detection with website. Okay, these are the description about project. I had there are four stroke, ischemic stroke, hemorrhagic stroke. These are the two strokes like ischemic stroke, hemorrhagic stroke. In that project, user have to upload an input image to that model and it will predict the type of brain disease. And these are the software and hardware requirement. Like if you want to play the button, play the video, then just click on it and it will play the video. Let's scroll up. Now just go back. Now the point number 44, brain tumor detection and classification. Just click on it. So the brain tumor web with neural network is a web-based diagnostic tool that assists in the early detection of the brain tumor utilizing neural network and medical imaging data. The application analyzes brain scans to identify potential tumor formation. This tool aims to expedite the diagnostic process, allowing medical professionals to make informed decisions and improve the prognosis for individuals with brain tumors. So in that project, user have to upload any image to that model, and this project is a web-based project where user have to upload any input image and it will predict the type of brain tumor. It will classify the type of brain tumor, and these are the software and hardware requirement. Let's scroll up and just go back. Now the point number 45, breast cancer detection. Just click on it. Now the breast cancer is a type of cancer that originates in the breast tissue. It occurs when the cell in the breast grow and divide uncontrollably, forming a tumor. Breast cancer can affect both women and men. Also, it is much more common in women. So these are the common symptoms of breast cancer, and this will be the YouTube video where user have to upload an input image. It will predict the type of the breast cancer like benign or malignant, this type of cancer. And these are the advantage of breast cancer detection system where it will detect the early and save the life, improve treatment option, reduction of cancer progression, cost effectiveness, emotional and psychological support, screening high risk groups, public health impact, research and data collection, awareness and education. So these are the points, and these are the software and hardware requirement. And this project is completely web-based project. So let's go back. Now, point number 47, breast cancer prediction, breast cancer classification using CNN. So this is completely software-based project, and the interface developed using Tkinter, where user have to enter the input values like radius, area, parameter, texture, and smoothness. According to the user inputs, it will analyze and predict the breast cancer. And this will be the about algorithm used like random forest or random decision forest are the machine learning method for classification and regression. And these are the software and hardware requirement. Now the breast arterial classification, point number 48. So these are the description of project, and this will be the YouTube video. It will classify the breast cancer, and these are the software hardware requirement. Let's go back. Now the point number 49, cafe billing system. Just open it. Now this is completely the type of the cafe billing system where user have to select any drinks or fast food and it will generate the bill according to the user input with their quantity. Okay, and it is completely encrypted with the username and password. Like if the person knows the username and password, then they can log in and use the system. Otherwise, they can't use that particular system. And these are the additional feature of restaurant system like login page security, drink and food selection, mini calculator, receipt generation, total cost with text. These are the software hardware requirement. And that particular project developed using Tkinter library, that is Python inbuilt library for developing the software interface. Let's go back. Now the point number 50, college campus navigation system. Just open it. College campus navigation system Android app where student or any other user can find out the location of hostel, mess, library, and gym. and other places of college campus, in particular Android app. This is useful for unknown person who came that college first time and have no idea about locations. Like any of the student or unknown person have to see the location of mess or library or any other places, then they can easily navigate in the map using that particular Android app. So this is the navigation system of college Android app, and these are the software and hardware requirement. Let's complete this video here. We'll continue with another session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.